I am demonstrating to you my newly acquired ovum pickup simulator equipment. You can see here the transvaginal probe, which has been carrying the ovum pickup needle on its top, the computer, which is also a CPU for this equipment, and the screen which shows the follicles to be aspirated. I will be demonstrating to you the ovum pickup aspiration live through this video. This simulator has a lot of cases preloaded on it, and I have selected a case which has 15 follicles in the right ovary. You can see here that some follicles are already being shown, and I am going to show you how the machine operates. Now you can see here this lady has a number of 15 follicles, and the ovum pickup needle is being guided inside. You can see the needle coming inside now, and I am aspirating the follicle. You can see this needle, the equipment is so nice. You can see the follicle actually collapsing as it happens during the live procedure. And I have completely aspirated the follicle. It shows one follicle aspirated out of 15. Going to the second follicle now. I have advanced my needle, went right angles to the surface of the follicle, and you can see the second follicle is also being. And you can see the movement of the ovary in between as it happens, because the patient is under propofol anesthesia. Ovary keeps moving with the act of respiration every time. This is something that now, since the test tube is full, the session is compromised. The machine has so much sensors that once the test tube is full, as you do in the real ovum pickup, your assistant tells you that the test tube is full and wait for the ovum. So I have taken all, actually showed you 2 follicles having been aspirated. I can tell you, after having been practicing IVF for more than 21 years now, the resistance offered to the ovum pickup needle on the machine is equivalent to the one which we get in the actual real patient. So this machine comes to very close to the existing or the live situation.